Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. DJ here. So I'm a ginger now, guys. So a few weeks ago, about a week ago, I decided to dye my hair. I wanted the ends to be pink, so I basically dyed the ends and left the roots black. But then I didn't like it. Well, I didn't like it. And I wanted to be ginger for the longest while, but I couldn't find a dye that I liked. And then I did. So I didn't really show me dyeing my hair from the beginning, if that makes sense. Yeah, the footage that you're going to see, I already bleached my hair, but the roots weren't bleached. So yeah. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, continue watching this video. And please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. So yeah guys, this is what it looks like. I left it in for like 25 minutes, 30 minutes maybe. Yeah. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I put a bit of conditioner in a container. It's easier to distribute in your hair with the dye. Gonna make you dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Gonna make you dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Gonna make you dance, dance, dance. So that's it. I know I'm going to leave it on for 40 minutes. So yeah, I'll be back.